Hi guys, today we are in a 2018 Pacifica Hybrid. However, today our main focus will be the self-park system in our Chrysler products. Now, to begin with, we start pressing this park assist button first. I seen a spot and I will move towards the spot and the vehicle will beep and will tell me to stop. Two things to keep in mind. You have to approach the parking spot through the passenger side. Lanes have to be clearly visible and you still have the full control of the vehicle. So let's try. Okay, I stopped, removed my hands off the wheel. Now it is telling me to switch to reverse. Okay, and then the next command is move backward. So my hand is still on the brake, and as you guys see, the steering wheel automatically adjusts. And I still make sure I have the control of the background. Okay, shift, and now it tells me to shift to drive. Move forward. Okay, stop. Now I'm shifting to reverse again. And it says move backward. So. And as you guys see, I pulled my hands off the steering wheel, just making sure that I'm watching the screen still and keeping the speed as minimum as possible. Okay, now it beeped and informed me to stop. Active park sensors on. It turned the sensor automatically off. All I have to do is put it in park and I'm done.